Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Alyssa. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make my style homemade lo mein. How to make it? Let's get started.
Add a Golden Mountain soy sauce or a light soy sauce. Add mushroom soy sauce, sesame oil, Kikkoman soy sauce, black soy sauce, oyster sauce, brown sugar, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, chicken powder. If you don't like the chicken powder, that's optional. And then mix all the ingredients in a small bowl. Bring a large pot of water to a boil. Then add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil or vegetable oil, whichever you prefer. Add the lo mein noodles and cook for about 10 minutes. When finished, drain the noodles and set aside. Heat 2 teaspoons of coconut oil in a large pot or wok over a medium-high heat. Add onion, garlic, dried mushrooms, celery, and carrot. Cook, stirring frequently, about 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the egg and the pork. Stir until the pork is tender. Stir in the lo mein noodles and the soy sauce mixture and gently toss. Finally, add bean sprouts and the cabbage at the end. Serve and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this recipe.